So this is something we are at right now. Competitive markets have low barriers to entry or exit, which is why firms enter when they see a positive economic profit and they exit when they see a negative economic loss. In the long run, though, all competitive markets earn zero economic profits. So what happens economic profits create competition. And more firms enter the industry to make profits. So to illustrate this point, now some of you have this in your notes because I talked about it. I just wanted to review it so everybody's on the same page. So right now, this is where the market is at, right? This is a competitive industry market, competitive industry market. This is also a competitive industry market graph showing supply and demand, just a simple one. Simple competitive graph. So at price P, our competitive industry is making this much marginal revenue, right, equals to price. This is the quantity they are producing, where marginal revenue is equals to marginal cost, you go down, that's the quantity produced. At P star, this is the quantity produced, right? If you want to know the economic profit area, just go directly down from where MC is equals to MR, go down directly to ATC, and then go to the left, and this becomes your profit area. So this price right here is your ATC price. So whenever average total cost is below marginal revenue, we're going to have positive economic profit. So whenever average total cost is below marginal revenue, we're going to have positive economic profits. Whenever average total cost is going to be above marginal revenue, we're going to have negative economic loss. So what happens when we have positive economic profits? Well, this is what's going to happen. Firms are going to be earning profits. New firms will enter because they'll see the opportunity that there's profit. New firms will enter. Supply will increase. When new firms will enter, what happens? Supply will increase, right? price would decrease. Price is gonna go down. When supply increases, price will go down. Marginal revenue would decrease. Because it's a competitive firm, when price goes down, it's equal to MR, right? And economic profits will decrease until it's at 0. Economic profits will decrease until at 0 economic profit. So with this new decreased price, this is your marginal revenue. So with your new decreased price, this is your new marginal revenue, MR1. Marginal cost and marginal revenue are intersecting here. So is the ATC is intersecting. It's the minimum of ATC where all of this is happening. So at the minimum of ATC and where MC and MR are intersecting, this is 0 economic profit. This point is 0 economic profit. Or as we say, normal profits. Normal profits or 0 economic profits means that firms are making enough to get by. You know, investors are getting returns on their investment, and it's enough to continue to operate. It doesn't mean that 0, don't think that 0 means like it's making negative profits, no. 0 economic profit just means that implicit costs are 0, that there's nothing else that they would rather be doing, they would rather stay in the industry. So the opposite happens, the opposite happens if there is economic loss. Opposite is true. So when there's economic loss, the average total cost is greater than marginal revenue, right? It would be above marginal revenue. If there's economic loss, some firms will exit. Supply would decrease. It would shift to the left. Price would increase. When price increases, that's equal to your marginal revenue, so marginal revenue will increase too. And this will continue to happen until we have positive economic profits and until we are at the normal profit line. Not positive, but normal profit line. So economic profits will increase until we are at 0 economic profit. This is why we said that in the beginning that in the long run, all competitive firms are at 0 economic profit area. It doesn't matter if you're losing money in a competitive firm or if you're in a positive side. In the end, all economic firms will come to normal profits area or the 0 economic profit area. They'll all be making the same amount of money. Almost the same. Yeah.
Could you explain what the shaded region of the graph is?
This is the positive economic profit area, right? The rectangular which you figured out in your assignment. So initially price was this. This is where your marginal revenue equals marginal cost, your quantity. You go directly below this. This is your ATC point. So this is your profit area. Profit, profit is equals to quantity times price minus ATC. That's this area. Any questions?
Simple competitive graph.
What?
About the graph.
This one?
Yeah, about the line, the word simple competitive graph. What does it mean?
What?
No. Yeah.
Simple competitive market graph. So
Oh, yeah.
telling you what's happening to supply and demand.
Yeah.
And then this one is telling, this is the cost graph. It's telling you, it's a more detailed competitive market graph. It's giving you all the costs, marginal cost, total cost. It's giving you the revenue.
In other words, pounds are gonna be which one? No. Another graph. Number one.
Firms are gonna be earning profits. So this is what happens when firms are earning profits. This is what happens when there is an economic loss and there's negative losses. When there's negative losses, marginal revenue will actually be below. So this is the zero economic point, right? Zero economic profit point. If it was a negative loss, it would actually be, the average total cost would be below marginal, or sorry, the average total cost would be above marginal revenue. So ATC will be greater than MR. So any questions? Okay. I forgot to record lecture in last class, so I had to go over it, but it's good practice. I mean, you guys. I actually forgot to bring my camera. Oh, 2 minutes left. Okay, well that's fine. We can end it here. We just have like teeny tiny stuff left to go over, and you're basically all set for your exam 2, which is on, when is it? Huh? Monday, right? Okay, so Friday we're just gonna finish up just a little bit stuff, and then what else? So yeah, you have your study guides and practice problems posted on Blackboard. You saw that? Everybody working on it? Everybody studying hard? We're gonna get all A's?
I hope so.
Everybody's gonna get A?
I hope so.
Okay. Well, I'm hoping that all of you do better, even better this time, okay? You can do it.
You know that